The era of babysitting your AI is over. For the past 2 years, entrepreneurs have been duct taping together automations, Zapier here, prompts there, hoping the system doesn't break at 2 a.m. But here's my prediction. Within 12 months, most of those workflows will be obsolete because AI is shifting from automation to autonomy. I'm Ben Angel, author of The Wolf is at the Door, and the real upgrade in the AI era isn't just your tech. It's you. If you're one of those 70,000 entrepreneurs on my email list who downloaded the free AI Agents Playbook, you already know that this shift is underway. But what I didn't explain in that guide is how fast this is about to accelerate. Because the next phase of AI isn't about prompts. It's about what those prompts can launch, systems that execute work and troubleshoot themselves. And that brings me to the first play in the AI Black Book. We're starting with the one that changes everything, Perplexity Computer. This isn't a chatbot, it's a digital project manager with 19 different AI models working under it. You describe an outcome, like build me a competitive analysis of 50 companies, and it breaks that down into subtasks, assigns each one to the best AI model for the job, and then runs them in parallel in the cloud while you're at dinner. The best part is that you can schedule certain tasks to run at a set time each week. Perplexity used this to build a 4,000 row spreadsheet overnight that would have taken a human team a full week. It connects to over 400 services, remembers your previous work, and if it hits a problem, it doesn't stop and wait for you. It spins up another agent to solve it. You can see why I think automations are on the way out, right? When one AI can research, write, design code, and deploy a full project from a single sentence, why would you wire together 5 apps that break every time something changes? In rule 2 of The Wolf is at the Door, I call this cruel optimism. The belief that what worked yesterday will protect you tomorrow. The entrepreneurs who see this shift have an unfair advantage. The ones who don't, they become the product. So here's a prompt you'll need to replace a 20K marketing manager. Screenshot it or grab it from my bio. That single prompt, when I tested it, ran for 3 hours in Perplexity Computer and gave me the best marketing plan I've seen in 20 years. Now, if Perplexity Computer is your cloud-based executive team, Cowork is the assistant sitting at your desk. It works directly inside your local folders. Tell it to organize 200 client files, extract the key data, and build me a summary report, and it executes step by step. Your data never leaves your machine, which is great if you're concerned about security. It runs on Claude, arguably the best single model for deep thinking and writing at the moment until tomorrow. Where Perplexity excels at broad multi-step projects, Cowork excels when you need one smart model locked in on one complex task. Pretty incredible, right? If Perplexity is your executive team, Cowork is your desk assistant. But what about Manus AI? Meta acquired the company behind this for $2 billion. Once you see what it does, you'll understand why. Manus runs as an always-on agent in its own isolated environment. You give it a task, it plans, it executes, it installs whatever it needs, writes code, browses the web, all autonomously. Manus delivers the work, but what about Devin? Goldman Sachs literally hired this as an employee. Devin is an AI software engineer that doesn't just write code, it debugs, tests, and deploys entire applications from a verbal description. Goldman plans to deploy it by the thousands alongside 12,000 human engineers. For entrepreneurs, that means real software, internal tools, client portals, products without a developer. Now, you're probably drowning in information, PDFs, research, meeting notes, reports, and none of it ever gets used. Sound pretty familiar, right? In rule 3 of The Wolf is at the Door, I call this the attention recession. We're consuming more than ever, but retaining almost none of it. NotebookLM helps with this information side, but the biological side of why your brain can't focus, that's a different problem I cover in the book. NotebookLM is your AI research brain trained only on your documents. Upload files, it reads everything, understands context, and gives you answers based on your data, not the internet, your data. You can turn messy research into action plans, create training materials for your VA in seconds, or pull hidden insights from reports you never had time to read, completely free. It rivals tools costing $100 a month. Now, the next one is controversial because of what happened last week, but check out last week's video for the full breakdown. But here's my take. Agent Mode by OpenAI and ChatGPT is still one of the most underrated features in AI. Atlas is like Google Chrome, but on steroids. The AI is baked into it. It literally sees the page that you're on. In Agent Mode, you can find Instagram comments you've missed, build targeted podcast guest lists, and predict which topics are about to trend. Here are the prompts that you're going to need. Screenshot these or grab them from my bio. This one to predict viral trends and generate leads. This one to find unrealized business hiding in your Instagram comments and DMs. And this one to research podcasts you can get featured on. And finally, number one, Scribe. This isn't as much an AI agent as it is a powerful tool to support your agents running. Every tool I just showed you is only as powerful as the system you build around it. If you can't document your workflow, you can't scale, period. And because these agents are so powerful, here's why you don't want to miss this one. Scribe watches your screen while you work and turns your actions into a step-by-step guide. Screenshots, clicks, directions. You explain it once, share the link, your VA, your team, your clients, they can't get it wrong. It even has an interactive guide me feature that walks them through the task in real time. But here's where it gets interesting. Feed your SOPs into Perplexity Computer and see if it can run the entire process for you. I said earlier that automations would be dead in 12 months. Sure, some will exist. But after seeing these 7 AI tools, do you still think that's a bold prediction? That's why in the Wolf Pack, to keep up, we focus on biology, psychology, and technology, because you can't separate the human from the machine. The tools will keep getting smarter. The real question is whether the people using them will.